all we know, electric vehicle will be the future. This is the time to buy an electric vehicle, or still you need to wait for an electric vehicle. So this is eFlash. I am Albin Varghese and welcome to Talk. The argument between gas and electric will never end. It started when electric cars became a thing, and now it will continue that many companies and startups are building more electric motorcycle and electric car than before. The electric bike has allowed riders to enjoy a smooth experience, instant performance and advanced technology while remaining competitive with their traditional counterparts. However, owning an electric bike does not mean problem-free experience, because like a gas model, these bikes come with their own problems like higher price, higher insurance rate and harder maintenance and more. So the first one, why you need to buy an electric motorcycle, is a less maintenance. Similar to electric cars, this motorcycle require less maintenance than the gas models, mainly because they come with fewer mechanical parts and fluids. So you don't have to worry about changing the oil or fixing the leaking gaskets. Of course, this does not mean you would not have to change anything, because you still need to change the drive belt after 50,000 miles, and you may also need to change the tires or the brakes and brakes fluid from time to time. But comparing to gas motorcycle, it's nothing. Second one, low center of gravity. Having a low center of gravity means that the motorcycle will be more stable in corners and easier to balance at low speeds, which make this electric bike safer and easier to ride in high traffic roads. So if you are a professional rider, a bike with low center of gravity will be easier to flick from right to left in a S-bend turn. Third one, more storage capacity. Electric motorcycles don't have giant engine or gas tank in front of the rider. Instead, they have a charging outlet and a small yet powerful engine at the bottom of the bike. This allows some companies to add small storage spaces or small tools or bottle of water. Fourth one, better for slow traffic. Having a low center of gravity in addition to the lack of gas engines makes electric motorcycle the perfect ride for slow traffic. The main advantage of this motorcycle are that you would not need to worry about the engine getting hot because of low speed. Fifth one, easy to drive. It is undeniable that having a motorcycle that you can drive it simply by accelerating is a lot of easier than having to learn to change the clutch or how to shift correctly at high speeds. These advantages make the electric motorcycle the perfect choice for newbies or anyone who prefer enjoying the ride instead of changing gears. But companies like Kawasaki and E-Mode Electric introduced the electric motorcycle with gear. Sixth one, superior performance. It's true that electric motorcycle market is far from being mature. But when you see what electric cars have achieved in no time at all, you can't deny that these electric bikes are the future of motorcycles. So we can easily say that in the next few years, gas will have no chance in front of electricity. Seventh one, more comfortable. If you ask anyone who tried an electric motorcycle before, the first thing he will tell you is that are surprisingly smooth. In addition to that, you would not feel that annoying vibration that you find in gas motorcycle. Eighth one, technologically advanced. Because of the big engine and gas tanks in regular motorcycle, it's difficult for companies to find any empty space to add any new technologies to their bikes. However, electric motorcycle like Energica comes with park assistant, EABS and vehicle control unit that allow the rider to manage the vehicle and monitoring and adjust the motor power while riding. Ninth one, save money. The real saving from an electric motorcycle does not come from the initial purchase price, because the most of them are most expensive than a gas bike. After you buy it, these electric bikes will save you a ton of cash on a gas and maintenance. 10th one, instant torque and power. If there is one thing gas motorcycle riders would not experience, is the joy of instant torque and power with these electric bikes. Electric engine don't need to warm up, and there is no need to internal combustion because the power goes straight to wheel for instant acceleration, making EVs quicker on the start. So this 10 reason why you need to buy an electric motorcycle. So you need to wait. 7 more things why you need to wait for an electric motorcycle. The first one, technology is not mature. It's true that these bikes need to less maintenance, but we don't deny that the technology of electric motorcycle is newer and less mature than the gas motorcycles, and therefore the chance of the engine failure are higher. If this happens, it will be even harder to find a shop to repair the problem if the official manufacturer is not in your city. Second one, range anxiety. Tesla solved the problem of range anxiety by establishing the largest charging network in the world, allowing its customers to charge their vehicle wherever and whenever they want. On the other hand, the electric motorcycle companies did not do anything to solve these problems. Therefore, you will have to charge your bike at home most of the time, and you would not be able to travel on your bike like you used to it. But few companies like Ether Energy, they also tried to implement the infrastructure of the charging system of an electric motorcycles. But still, range is an anxiety. Third one, no sound. One of the most common reason why many riders don't care about this electric motorcycle is the lack of the beautiful vroom sound. It may not be a big deal, but if you have to pay an extra amount of money, it should be added features, not to remove them. It is worth nothing that in the car world, some companies like BMW added fake sounds to their electric cars, so will be bike manufacturer do the same thing. Also, an Indian brand Revolt, they also added fake sound in their electric motorcycle. Fourth one, high insurance rate. Even with all the benefits of owning an electric motorcycle, people have been slow to adopt EVs, the reason of higher insurance rate. There are two reasons for this. The first reason is the insurance companies don't know yet how to deal with these vehicles. The second reason is that new registration of EVs are still inferior to petrol and diesel models. This and higher price of electric motorcycle mean that motorbike insurance tends to be higher on average, but this may change in future. And the fifth one, need to improve infrastructure. Charging equipment for plug electric vehicle, which include plug-in hybrid electric vehicle and all electric vehicle, is classified by the rate and which the batteries are charged. Charging time vary based on how depleted the battery is, how much energy it holds, the type of battery and type of charging equipment. The charging time can range from less than 20 minutes to 20 hours or more. Depending on this factor, sixth one, you will be missed the conventional gearbox. You will be missed the feel and freedom of selecting the gears for different torque and power output, and one more thing, you will be missed the clutch. But this is not affecting everyone. Few people love automatic gearbox. The last one and the seventh one, a lot of new electric vehicle brands. There is a lot of new brands for electric vehicle, especially in motorcycle and scooters. So selecting or buying a motorcycle or scooter, you need to understand the quality, service and availability of parts. So this is the reason still you need to buy or you need to wait for an electric vehicle. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Until then, ciao.